Yes.
Sorry, I think I looked at the camera.
Oh, you think? Okay, let's just go over this one more time, okay? You're not being chased by Kenny.
Is this stuff free?
You're being chased by tiredness, which the monster represents. So, show me how scared you are of tiredness. Ah, yeah, okay, yeah, that'll work. Okay, let's just try it again. And remember, don't, under any circumstances, look at this camera. Okay?
Okay.
Great. Oh, why did I quit college?
Don't tell Miss Jessop, but I'm thinking of getting a new agent.
Oh, really?
Yeah. These ads are fine and everything, but what I really want is a sci-fi fantasy series where I hunt and destroy the brains of killer zombies or something. But with heart.
Reset.
Cool.
Positions, everyone, please.
That's me, Sam. And I have zero business being in show business.
We're rolling, and Kenny, you know you're not supposed to drink milk. The lactose.
Yeah, I know, but I love it so much. Oh, not again.
Oh. You okay there, love?
But wait, let me take you back to where this whole thing started.
That hurt.
At school, everything felt a bit alien. Like everyone else was speaking a different language. I'm sorry?
Earth to Sam Curtin, do you hear me? What answer did you get?
The answer, yeah. Is it Bucharest?
Bucharest. Huh. Geography was before lunch.
Egypt.
Get your head out of the clouds, boy. Daydreamers never prosper.
I never got what was so bad about daydreaming. It makes boring everyday life a million times more fun.
And it's Curtin going for the three-pointer. And he's drained it from downtown. Oh, the crowd is going wild. And Curtin goes for another. It's going, it's hit that guy on the head. Ooh, that's gotta hurt.
Curtin, you're dead!
Little help.
Curtin!
Present.
What are you doing in that bin, boy?
But then one time on a school trip,
Okay, kids, it's important to trust your equipment and your climbing buddy, okay? And don't look down.
just 10 more feet, and I'll be the first Irish schoolboy named Sam to climb Everest.
Curtin, pay attention. Don't slack off.
More slack? Yeah, you got it.
No! No! Curtin!
We are so embarrassed.
Yeah, we've spoken to Sam. He is so sorry.
Hey, look, it'll be all right. I'll be fine in a few weeks. In the meantime, I can't as much as tie a shoelace. Not a problem for me. I'm a slip-on man. But you get my point.
Oh, well, we figured that cooking might be a bit difficult for the foreseeable, so I made you a apology casserole.
Oh, thank you. Just put it down there, please. Just there, just on the desk.
There we go.
Okay. Now, I'd like to talk to you about Sam and the daydreaming. Dreams are brilliant. Dreams are great. It's just that Sam and his constant lollygagging, stargazing, wool gathering, call it what you will, this pipe dreamery of his is clearly getting out of hand. Now, I've been talking to some of Sam's other teachers. They have told me that it's okay. That Sam's daydreaming, as you can clearly see, is at an all-time high. Something needs to be done.
We completely agree. But what?
Sam needs to channel his creativity into something more productive. Maybe something like a music lesson, perhaps.
No. He already does piano. It doesn't help. His teacher is not happy. Just go.
Sorry.
Just go.
Sorry.
There are other options. Dance, art, creative writing. Anything that will get him into an environment where he can use his creativity for good.
Yeah.
Instead of evil. I've got some brochures for after-school activities that might just do the job.
Yeah. Well, now.
They look great.
Well, no.
That's lovely. Well, thank you so much. Yeah,
Excellent, excellent. Just before you go, if I could beseech one of you to help me in the old back scratch department,
Sally,
I'd be very grateful.
of course.
Here we go. Your husband, a man of many talents. Oh, don't go gentle on me, boy. I'm not a baby duck. What?
So, did you get expelled?
Nope. But I have to do something creative after school.
Oh, not even a suspension?
Yeah.
You started it.
I don't care. God, there's so many to choose from. Jazzercise, egg painting, medieval calligraphy.
Medieval calligraphy.
Oh, that writing's terrible anyway.
I think he'd be good at the bug collecting because think of the amount of times he gets nits. Yeah, what do you think, Sam?
They all look so old.
Yeah, I mean, I doubt many of these are still going. This guy's wearing flares.
Enough for the analog now. We're not hobbits. Let's go digital. Just search After School Creative Dublin. Easy.
God, these ads! Go away!
Clicking too hard. Just click.
Yeah.
Does your child lack focus and direction?
Do they have a good imagination, but don't know how to use it?
Have they got a short attention span?
Are they looking for a purpose?
What's the answer? Drama.
And apparently, I'm Leonard.
Go on. Use your imagination.
Miss Jessop's Drama Academy.
Apply now.
That looks
Terrible.
Perfect.
Pricey. Perfect.
You're toast.
Now, remember, love, there is absolutely no reason to be nervous, okay? Yeah. I think I'm a bit nervous.
Oh, this is gonna be great.
Yeah. Hello, we're here for the drama class.
Oh, an auditionee. This way, s'il vous plaît. You'll be finished at 5. Miss Jessop will be present shortly. Please, hang your coat over there.
I'm a coat hanger.
Oh, thanks. Oh, sorry.
It's cool. I'm kind of in charge of a vehicle here, so.
Hey, do you like comics?
I like comics.
Beautiful. We're friends now. Word of warning. If Miss Jessop finds it, she'd actually murder you. Oh, I'm Noah, by the way.
Oh, yeah, okay.
2 hours free. Huh? What'll we do? We could go to the cinema or the wax museum. Ooh, what do we love?
Hi.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Notice some new faces there.
Yeah, us parental types, well, parents, we usually go for a coffee while we're waiting if you'd like to join us. It's like not mandatory.
I don't think we...
We'd love to.
Yeah. We'd love to, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Tracy, make that 5, okay?
We go, yeah.
Go.
So I got a recall off of a self-tape. and they tell me that I need a chaperone. And I'm like, chaperone? What am I, 12?
If you're under 16, you still need a chaperone.
Anyway, they love me.
We've got ourselves another recruit.
I'm Sam.
Hi, Sam. I'm Zuby.
I'm Thea. I'm Leonard.
How old are you?
How old are you?
Old enough to not be reading comics.
Ooh.
Anyway, the main thing you need to know is never going to Miss Jessop's room without ringing.
One kid we knew just marched straight in.
Never came out.
Class begins in 180 seconds, so let's get warmed up, people. And we're gonna reach high to the heavens, and we're gonna bring down. Sam, I don't see any stretching.
Was that a...
Maybe there's a small dog outside?
Surely this is not fantasy. Surely it is real. This whirl of drifts that spins the stricken heart. Still, I pray, may all this expectation fade as vanity into unfulfillment and not be. We all wear masks to hide our true selves. But we only tell the truth when we are wearing one. Tell me your truth. Tell me your truth!
I don't know what's going on.
I believe you.
Which one was yours again?
The coffee or the child? A flat white, and our boy is Sam, he's 12. Yeah, and yours?
Well, double espresso, and Zuby, who is 14 going on 50.
So what do you do, Con?
He is a wonderful pianist.
Sally, please. No, I'm a piano teacher. I haven't really played since the kids came along and...
Stop. One of these days now, you'll get your mojo back. Yeah. Just needs a bit of encouragement.
Thanks, guys.
Our quote of the day is from Albert Einstein. Logic will take you from A to B. Imagination will take you everywhere.
Nobody panic. I'm here. I am so sorry. My audition ran over and they ended up asking me to read for a bigger part. I think I got it.
I would expect no less. Chloe, you know the rules. Get in the box, 5 minutes.
But...
Chloe! The box. Patience is a virtue, and she tests it. But let us continue with the class. Right, Ethan?
Yes, of course.
And what about you, Sally?
Oh, I have a job. But I'm actually training to become a relationship therapist, yeah. So if anyone wants any free therapy, you know who to ask. No, seriously, I could really do with the practice. So, any of you guys got any issues?
Well, my wife passed away a few years ago, so I've actually been raising Zuby solo, which can get a little bit...
Well, I've got a crippling social anxiety. Yeah, so like when I'm talking to people, I get very anxious. Like when I'm talking to you right now, actually, I'm feeling very, very anxious, actually. So I'm just gonna stop there.
I'm terrified of grapes.
Right. Yeah, well, lots going on, guys, which is great.
It is.
So you may have noticed a few new faces. But what are you waiting for? Introduce yourselves to the group.
Hi, I'm Oscar. which I also expect to win one day. No, it's great to be here. Seriously, you all look like really great, inspiring human beings. No, make that human doings.
It's enlightening. Oscar, thank you. Sam?
Hi, I'm Slam. Sam, not Slam Sam, just Sam, singular. Star signs. Are we doing that? Typical Aries, kind of fiery. An introvert, which probably won't help me in drama, I'm guessing. Is anyone else really warm in here? Whew. I better wrap this up. I'm Sam.
Is that a comic?
I tried to warn him.
While your bumbling demeanor is mildly compelling, if you had read the literature provided instead of your comic book, you should know that you're still under consideration. It all depends on today's performance. I want your talent to tear my heart out. I want to feel your passion burning so brightly it bursts into fiery flames. I expect the sun, moon, and stars from you, no less. And so far, color me incredibly unimpressed. It is time for some improvisation. Today's title is My Cup Runneth Over.
My cup runneth over. Shakespeare. Shakespeare? Modern. We're getting Shakespeare vibes. Modern. Fancy modern Shakespeare.
Come join us if you like, far boy.
I'm a busy woman and I don't have time for it. Do you understand?
Oh, 100%.
Yes, understood. Thank you. Sam, why don't you start us off?
Oh, it is my cup.
Oh, no.
Please don't put me in the box. I definitely can't mime that well.
Just go for it, Sam.
Okay, people, we need this food ready yesterday. Chop, chop.
What do you call that? It tastes like puke. Make me another one.
Order's up!
Excuse me. Okay, people, I need 3 goulash, 4 scallops, and 1 steak tartare. Oui, chef.
Occupied.
Chef, your cup run is over.
Watch the grill. Clear.
Where's the calamari for table 17? It's for the president of Ireland. Do it myself.
Hey, buddy, I've got kids. You wouldn't leave them without a mama, would you?
Bit of a delay on the calamari, Mrs. President.
You're not focusing on what's important, Sam.
I'm sorry, little buddy.
Oh, please. Oh, don't take this personal, buddy.
Doc.
Thanks, buddy.
Man down!
That's a shame. Ah, there you are. We spend so much of our lives trying to protect ourselves from being hurt. And we end up getting hurt even more.
No, really, it's fine. This happens a lot.
No, not that kind of hurt. Drama is all about allowing yourself to be open and vulnerable, to take chances. You've got a wonderful imagination, Sam, but you can't stay in the clouds. Sometimes you have to come back to earth and face reality. Are you feeling a bit better? That's good. Because this clearly isn't for you. Goodbye, Sam.
I am flattered hugely, okay? And don't worry, I won't take all of the best parts.
Welcome aboard.
What's she even doing here?
Bye, Sam. Bye, Leonard.
I mean, it's not like she's going to be in the next Marvel movie. Like, what would her superpower be? Getting the best parking spots.
Wow! A wheelchair joke. How very original.
Ever heard of Professor X? And what's your superpower? Having your head up your bum? I thought Fia was great. And you only played a bully, which clearly isn't that much of a stretch, is it?
Shut the door on your way out, fart boy.
I farted. So what? I fart when I'm nervous. People fart all the time, up to 11 times a day. And look, I'm gonna do it again.
What's the matter? Stage fright?
Look, I may not have gotten into this class, but I wouldn't want to be in anything with someone like you in anyway.
Sam, thanks.
I knew I had one more in me.
So, how'd it go?
It was terrible. I cannot believe you made me do this.
Okay, well, you're already sounding more dramatic, so that's something, I guess.
What I asked from you, your passion, your fire. You just took off the mask, Sam. Pulled back the curtain. And I liked what I saw. I believed you. Oh. See you next week. What was that about?
Dunno. But it felt like something good.